Okay, in today's video we're going to talk about how you can win consistently and make profit in Forex. We're going to go into the detail of how successful traders, the top 5%, actually make money consistently. When people find out that I trade Forex, they say, well, isn't that gambling? And the answer is no, if you know what you're doing. Trading the Forex is all about having a statistical edge over the market by learning how to read patterns, which we'll talk about in other videos. But as an example of how we can have this statistical edge over the market, I'm going to use an example of how the casinos make money. Now, you've probably heard the saying, the house always wins, the casinos always wins. You never see a poor casino owner. So let's say we go to the casino. One of the games that they have there is roulette. So we're all familiar with that. Roulette wheel. And we have all these different numbers. We have 18 red, 18 black, 18 even numbers, 18 odd numbers. And so if you go to the casino and you place a bet, you could go, there's 18 red, 18 black, there's 18 odd numbers, there's 18 even numbers. So you think your statistical chance of winning is 18 out of 36 if you bet on red, for example. So let's just colour this in. So we have red, yep, we have the black, yeah, and it alternates, red, black, red, black. You're familiar with it. But what we also have in the casino is there's a 0 and a double 0. So your statistical chances aren't 18 out of 36, they're actually 18 out of 38. So as a player in the casino, if you would go on red or black or an odd or an even, got 18 chances of statistically out of 38 of being right and winning. But that's gambling. But if you're the casino, what are your odds? Well, your odds are 20 out of 38 because you've got the 0 and the double 0 as well. Okay, so when we work this out as a percentage, the player 18 out of 38 statistically got a 47.3% chance of being right. But if you're the casino, you've got 52.7% chance of being right. So the difference there is 5.4%, so not a lot. But over time, over hundreds and thousands of bets, the casino will have this 5.4% advantage. So what does that mean for the casino? Well, it means for every $1 that's bet in a casino, the casino makes 5.4 cents. Yeah, it doesn't sound a lot, but let's look at it another way. Let's say there are 1,000 bets made in the casino at the roulette table, and each bet is placed for $1,000. Okay, so what does that mean? It means for every 1,000 spins of that roulette table, okay, the casino is going to win 52.7 times, which will equate to $527,000 dollars. But the casino's going to lose because the player over time will win 473. Take one from the other, that's $54,000 that the casino wins. And that's why casinos give away free food to entice people in, because they've rigged the games so that statistically they have an edge. So the casino always wins. So players can go in there and they can have a lucky streak. They might win 10 times in a row. But again, over hundreds, over thousands of bets, the casino always wins because it's rigged the game. It's got that statistical edge. And that's what I want to teach you about Forex trading, is that you just need to find an edge. And there's lots of edges you can have. There's different systems that you can use to trade. Most of the systems that I will teach you have a 70% probability of being a winning trade, which is much better than the casinos. So again, if you know you're going to have a winning trade 70 times out of 100, you just keep using that strategy and you will make money over time. Now you don't know when those 70 wins are going to come out of the 100. You might have 4 losing trades in a row, and that's when it becomes emotionally difficult to trade, is keeping with your strategy on that 5th trade. Most people can't go past 3 losing trades without losing the nerve and looking for a new strategy. But when you know that you have a 70% probability of winning the trade, you have the confidence to keep making the trades and knowing that over a long period of time you're going to make money. A lot more money than if you've got your money sat in the bank earning a measly 1 or 2% interest. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe below and hit the bell so you get notified of the next video. I'll see you on the next one.